Hello and welcome to another episode. Today is day 5 in Unlock 2.0. Not that it really matters, usually every day is the same. But I'm glad I live in a country like India, you can't get bored over here. There's usually something happening in the country. And even if there's nothing interesting happening, I think we as a nation have figured out how to have fun. Like, Bakchodi comes very naturally to us. Like, very recently someone put in a petition to change the name of the country from India to Bharat. Like, I don't know where this patriotism is coming from in this pandemic. I know the economic status is pretty bad and people are losing their jobs and people have been laid off and it's hard to find jobs. But I had no idea people were so jobless to start changing names of places now. In Tamil Nadu, there was a petition to change 1,000 city names. But I'm glad that's on hold for now. Like, people in this country have a lot of free time. And now the government banned TikTok also. So I have no idea what people are going to do with all this free time that they have. At least the Indian entrepreneurs are very happy with what's happening. Everyone's racing to make the Indian version of TikTok. But I know who to place my bets on. If there's anyone who can win in a situation like this, it's Baba Ramdev. When India banned Maggi, he went all out and made Patanjali noodles and we all went crazy and bought all of it. I can't wait for Baba Ramdev to teach Indians how to run a tech startup in this country. But this boycott has not just been for TikTok and the 59 other apps. Some people are going crazy and throwing out their TVs and breaking their cameras and all. Like, I don't get the logic behind this. Like, if you've already paid for this stuff, China's not really getting affected by these. But in the middle of all this boycott movement that's happening, if in case China happens to be the one who comes up with a vaccine for coronavirus and we are like, no, we are boycotting all Chinese products, then we'll just have to settle with Baba Ramdev's Coronil, and I am not really very happy about that. Also, before I wrap up, I recently saw a movie called Akhuni and one of my school friends acted in it. It's a really nice story about a group of Northeast people living in Delhi trying to cook their traditional dish and the conflicts and problems they have while they cook it. And there's a lot of effort that goes into making a film like this, so I would really like it if you guys found some time to watch it, which I'm sure you have. Like, people in this country have time to change names of places, so I'm sure you can find some time in this lockdown to do that. And that's all for today. As always, if you liked it, do subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.